So today I'm going to walk you through my custom built camper trailer. So originally with my camper trailer here, I bought this rooftop tent for $200 from Kings. That had some warranty issue with it. And then after that, bought the trailer for $800 and I built it up from there. Here's some pictures of the trailer when it was first bought, and here it is now. So what I did after we built up the frame is I put my own swing away door on it. So it's just got two little gate pins on it. Undo both of them. She swings right out to get out of the way while we're cooking in it and doing what we need to do. So what I did after that is I put two 900mm Titan drawers in it from Kings, and they're literally just full of camping gear and tools and anything we need, like cookers and all that. Got all our table and our chairs in here. And then over here we got my custom light panel that I bought from our parts supplier. Got two Kings rock lights there and there, and then also two on the other back side. And then also have a power button for the inverter, which runs off of these two sockets here, like a 240 volt. And then I got a 12 volt switch, which just runs the sockets here. And yeah, that's it for the back of it. So we also added two gas struts on here. We need to get a higher strength because it doesn't hold the rooftop tent at the moment, but this is just to access the bottom. Under this wooden panel here, we got two deep cycle 100 amp batteries, and everything runs off of an accessory box there with fuses in it. And I've also added a camp light on the other side behind the awning just to have lights when you're sitting under the awning at night. So yeah. So on this we have just some alloy rims that were off my mum and dad's old camper trailer that they kept for me. I don't even know what brand they are. They're just a Japanese wheel, so pretty nice. And then we got some Dunlops on here. They just 235s by 75, so they go smooth. And yeah, then we got on the inside of this, we've actually got brand new hub assembly. Because I wasn't going to trust the one that was already on there since the trailer was originally built in 1975. So got one of them from SA Trailer and Chassis, greased it all up and chucked that in so we could have this. And we lifted a little bit. We flipped the leaf springs over just so we could lift it so we have more clearance and it's a bit higher for us. And yeah, also what we did, I didn't really want the batteries drawing any power when we're not using it because obviously it's just sitting in the shed. So what I did, I put an isolator on it, flick it like that, and yeah, it's not drawing any power. And I've also got these custom kickouts. None of this was here when we first got it, so I had to bend all pieces myself, weld it all up and put checker plate on it. So everything basically that you see here was what we built. So basically we just had a spare jockey wheel from Repco laying around. We chucked that on. We had to cut off the old drawbar because it was rusted out and it wasn't strong enough for web pulling. We welded on a brand new one, put a brand new tow hitch on it. So we got our spirit level on here, got an Anderson plug to change batteries, and obviously your trailer lights plug. So yeah, all of that was done. And yeah, top we're running the Kings Mark 1 rooftop tent. It's the hard shell rooftop tent, so it's pretty good. It's just a clamshell, and it was originally brought back to Kings for a water leak, but we've actually been in pouring rain and it didn't leak on us, so I was pretty happy with that. Can't be too mad. But yeah, it's a really nice rooftop tent. The only thing that we've done to it is we put an eggshell over the mattress because the mattress is a bit hard and we weren't having a good enough sleep on it, so we chucked that on, and yeah, it's all come up pretty good. So the gas struts just go straight into the bottom of it and straight onto the side of the trailer, and then it just lifts up pretty easily. It's not too heavy, but yeah. Also, it's very easy to put away. It's probably one of the easiest things we like about it because we didn't want a camper that you had to spend so long putting away because we want to do more one night trips. So want to travel in a lot, and that's why I kind of built this thing, because I didn't really want something that I'd have to put down all the time and have to stand up all the time. So it's really easy to put down. All you got to do is you undo this strap, you take this out, this little handle, pull down on either side, throw that back in there, and that's basically her down. You just do up the clips and make sure all the material's in, and that's all done. So right now I'm just running a King's awning on there. I'll put up a clip now of my experience with the King's awning. Bloody good awning. Thanks, Kings. It's pretty terrible. It broke on us, so yeah, I'll quickly do a little time lapse of me putting this thing up and show you what I've done and explain to you when it's up. See it all set up. Basically it's just got these two smaller 40 by 40 pieces of metal, and they slide into the 50 by 50, and it's got two locking pins, and it's also got a nut to tighten against it so it doesn't have any wind like pushing against it and making it rattle at night. And the other side's basically the same, and that's the idea I came up with, to make sure it's level with the camper trailer while we're driving, but then we can have it nice and set out while we're at camp. Alright guys, that's a rundown of my DIY camper trailer. It took me about, I'd say, 3 months to build, so it's been a pretty good build, and it's going to do us a lot of fun trips that you'll hopefully see in the future. Thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you in the next one.